There's nothing on the weather service announcement. But I thought you guys would like to see a little bit of thunder or hear a little bit of lightning. Listen, with my luck, that motherfucker would strike me. And you know what? I'd still be dancing. I'm like, are we going to see the Oz? Don't forget the Oz. The Oz was just a man behind the machine, controlling people. Everybody in the Oz had everything inside of it that they needed. We don't need to seek things outside of ourselves. And my phone's getting ready to be destroyed because it's raining. You know what one of my favorite things is? My dad and I, when I was a little girl, we'd sit outside. We had a porch and it was kind of covered. And listen to the thunderstorms. Watch the thunderstorms. I love thunderstorms. Happy new moon.